Assalamu alaikum guys. In the previous video we learned how to install WordPress on local PC. In this video we will learn how to create a website like this one. So let's start our work. To create a website like this one, we will first create the header section of this website. To create the header section we need some pages like home, about, services, contact and practice. For this purpose we will go to our website which we are going to create. The name of this website is Digital Arena, and in the URL our name is without Digital Arena. First thing we have done was to install the theme. I have installed the Flux themes here. Flux theme is installed and activate. Second thing we did was to install the plugins. I installed different plugins like Contact Form 7, Elementor header and footer to build header and footer of this website, and MC4WP and Flux core elements and Flux portfolio. If you are facing some kind of problem to install these plugins, you can click this button, add new plugin, and you can search from here. Like if I will search for Elementor, this will search for Elementor. Okay, this is the Elementor website builder plugin that I have already installed, and this is the Elementor header and footer builder. This one is already installed on my PC and activated also. So you can install different kind of plugins from here. So we will start our work. First thing we need to create is pages. Click on pages. By default there are two pages, number one sample page and number two privacy policy. We will delete that pages, move to trash, try. Okay, we will create a new page. Here we will write the title for is home, and set the different properties for this page. Theme default, sidebar default, display content top margin no, display go to top button yes, okay, default. Here we will deselect the header templates to no, header template setting no, title bar setting set it to no, and footer templates set it to no, footer template setting set it to no, because we will use our own header and footer. We don't need these header and footers over here. So the first page is created, which is home page. The next thing is to publish this one. Click on publish button, click publish. Now this page is published and now live. Now we will create another page. add new page. Write the title of this page services and repeat the same process as we have did in the previous case. Display content top margin, no. Header template, no. Header template setting, no. Title bar setting, no. Footer template, set it to no, 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 and click on publish button. Publish. Okay, service page is created and live now. We will create another page. We'll repeat the same process. Wow. Okay, click on publish. Okay, we have created 3 pages. We need one more. Contact. Click on publish. So we have created 4 pages over here. These are the 4 pages that we have created here: about page, contact page, home page, and service page. Now we will work on a home page right now. Click the home page. Before working on the home page, we need to create our header section and the footer section first. For that purpose, go to Wordpress. Go to Appearance, Elementor Header and Footer Builder. This is the plugin that we have installed, Elementor Header and Footer Builder. This is used to create header and footer for the websites. So Elementor Header and Footer Builder, add new. Skip this one, add new. Okay, here we select the type of template. We are going to create header. Here we can select display on. Where we want to display it on, we will select the entire website. User role, if you want to show the header on whole website, whole user, for whole user, you can select all option. Enable layout for elementary canvas templates, check this box over here, and add title. Write the title here. I will write the header and click publish. Now next step is to edit this header with the Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor. It is loading, it will take some time. So refresh it. So here we create our headers like this one. To create the header, we will create this section first, this one first. This section is divided into two parts, number one this one, and number two this picture. So go to our header section, click this plus button, we want layout, and we use two layouts, number one this one and number two this one. Select the two boxed layout, and here I will use info box, flocks info box, drag and drop here. Here you can see info box is here. I will use the headings which I have used earlier on my website. Just select this one, copy, and go to the control panel. Here we select the content. Here select header, and select the content. Here the title. I will paste my text here in the title section. Now my title is changed. For changing this description, I will copy this text, copy, and will paste in description section. Now the description is changed. Now next thing is to do is the size of this text. To increase the size of this text, we will go to the style, click on header, click on content, click on title. Here we will increase the size of our content. Header, click on title, click typography. Here is the size of this. Increase the size as you want. You can increase the size of this one over here. 56 is enough. Now next thing is to Next thing is to modify this button. By default the color of this button is white. I will change it to orange one. For that purpose I will select the button. Here I will select the background type, gradient. Here we select the color. You can select any kind of color from over here. So I will use this color for my button. So I can also save this color by this plus icon. I can save this one by the name of btn color. Create, and we'll use second color also, this one. Now select this one and we'll select the btn color. Now the color of this button is changed. When I move the cursor over here, the color change to black. For that purpose I will change the skin of this button to light blue. Okay, now this button will change to light blue. So next thing is that to create picture like this, click this one, select image, choose image, click on choose image, upload image, select image. You can choose any kind of image that you have already in your PC. I downloaded this image from Google. You can also download it over from here. So open, and this image is uploaded. Click select button. Now the image is selected. Next thing which we have to do is to select this control. We need to do the change color of this bar to like this one. To change the color, select this control, go to style, click on background overlay, and click on background color. Here we will select the color for our header. Okay, I can also save this color with the name of header background. Create. Now the color is not shining like this one. For that purpose I will increase the opacity of this color from 0.5 to 1. Now the color is shining like this one. The next thing to do is to change the color of this title to white. For that purpose I will select this control, click style, title, select the color. We will just select the color right over here, white, and save this color with the name of white. Create. We have already we have also changed this description color. For that purpose go to content and click color and select white. Now the color of this content is white. Now this picture is looking like this one, but next thing is to shape the picture like this. For that purpose select this chair, select this control from here, click on shape divider. We need to insert shape on bottom, so check the bottom type. Here we will select the type waves. Now this is created like this way. Next thing is this the height of this title is more than this one. To increase the height, I will select this control, go to layout, and will set the min height to 500. Now the height is increased. So next thing is to add this icon, this menu, and this button. For that purpose, click on this plus button. Here we need three boxes: number 1 for icon, number 2 for menu, and number 3 for R button. Here we will select the flex box. We will select the 3 boxed menu. Okay. Here we will use also color, the same color which we have used in this header section. Select this control from here and go to style, background and overlay. Here we will select the color, header background color, same color as which we have used in this section. Set the opacity of this color to 1. Now the next thing is to upload the icon of this website. To upload the icon, click plus button. Here we search icon, logo. I will search for logo, site logo, HFP site logo. Okay, medium 300 by 300. So to upload the logo, select this control, custom logo, yes, and choose the logo from your computer. Upload file, select file, and I have saved the logo in my PC also. This open. Okay, select this logo. This logo is inserted in our title bar, as the size of this logo is much greater than this one. To decrease the size of this logo, we will click the style option. Here we will decrease the width of this logo. Okay, this is looking better. Now the next thing is to do is insert the menu here. Click plus button, search for menu, navigation menu, HFP navigation menu, drag and drop here. Third thing which we have need to do is this button. Next thing we need to do is to add menu here, like this one. To add menu, first thing we need to do is to go back, go to appearance and select menus. And you can see here is no menu already there. All we do need to do is to create a new menu. For creating a new menu, we have to name the menu first, as we can use any name here like main menu. Click on create menu. Now menu is created. So check these boxes, automatically add to top level, header primary navigation, header secondary navigation, and footer navigation. And next thing is to add items into that menu. Add items, click view all, check these boxes. As home is twice, we can unselect one, add to menu. Now we can see the menu is created, but the order of this menu is not like this one, because here home first, about second, service third, and here about first. You can change the order of this menu by selecting this one, press the left key of mouse and drag it to the top, home, number 2 services, number 3 about, and number 4 contact. Now the order of this menu is good. So click on save menu. Now we will go to the our header and footer section. Header, and click on edit with Elementor. Here the menu is already appears: home, service, about, contact. So we can if you have missed to insert this menu, I can review it for you again. I will delete this one, will click this one, and will select menu. I will select the navigation menu, HFP, drag and drop it here. Now the menu is created. The color of menu text is not white, and we will turn it to white. Select this control and go to style, first text color, change it to white. Next thing is to centralize this menu into this control. Content, next thing is to do is to add button like this one. To add button, click on plus button, and here we will search for button, drag and drop the button here. The text of this button is get started, and text of this button is click here. To change the text, click content. Here you can see the text, click here. I will change it to get start. Now next thing is to make button like this one. corners are round, and the color of this button is light blue. To change the color of this button, select this button, go to style. You can also change the color of this button by from here default. You can select info. The color of button will be changed to info button, and corners are rounded now. So you can view this template by here. As you can see, this template is most likely looking that this one. As we have created our header, now we will save this one. Click on update. Now next thing we have to do is to create footer for our website. So we'll go exit. Here we will create edit template. Click appearance, element header and footer. Click add new. Here we will select the footer, display on entire website, user role all, and check this box. Click publish. Add the title. Title I will set it to footer. And click on update. Click edit with Elementor. In our previous website, our footer is like this shape. So to create footer like this shape, we need 4 boxes, number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and shape of this footer like this. So go to our control, click plus. We need 4 boxes first. Select our structure, 4 boxes. So number 1 thing is to add color of this control. Select this color control, click on style, background color, background and overlay, background type. Select the color which is used for header background that we have already saved. Set the opacity to 1. Next thing is to do this info. Click plus button, search here modern heading, blocks modern heading. Here the text is appearing. I will copy just the text from here, copy, and will paste here. This is the title of, yes, and I will also copy this text and this text will be pasted into description section. Right here, and we will maybe turn off display divider, which is showing here. Turn off. Now we will change the color of this text to white. Heading, first we will change the color of heading. Click on heading, style, heading, color. Select the color white. Again, color for description, select color white. Now the color is white. Next thing is this title, follow us on social media, and these icons. Click on plus button, heading, just copy this heading and paste here, follow us on social media. And next thing is to change the color of this to white. Heading, text color, select the color white. Now next thing is to add the social media icons. To add icons, select this control, go to search menu and search for social icon. Social icon, just drag and drop it here. There are 3 icons by default, and here we are using 4 icons. To use 4 icons, just click over here on add menu, add item. This will increase an item for you. These social icons are by default empty. Their URL is empty. You can add any URL here, like I will use YouTube. I will use the URL of my channel. Just select the YouTube icon and paste. It. You can use rather icon URL like Facebook, Twitter, and Wordpress with the same procedure. So next thing is to add quick links here. To add quick links, we just need to add header here. This control, sorry, search for text header, heading. Okay, heading is quick links. Change it to quick. Quick links. Now change the color of this control from style color white. Quick links. Next, add this menu. This is the same menu as we have added on for header. Add this menu. Select this control. Go search, type menu, and select the navigation menu. Sorry, control. Okay, navigation menu selected. Select the navigation menu of other type. Go search menu, navigation menu. Yes, this menu is looking like this. Now you can change the color of this menu to white. Go to style, text color, select the color to white. So last thing is this info. So add this info here list icon list. That will be icon list. There are three items by default here. I will add one more item now. For here I use the four items, one, two, three, four. So the icon of first item is carry on icon. Here the icon is tick mark. I will change this icon first. Icon library, icon library. Here we search for icon telephone. This one. Number second icon is this email icon. I will select the second one. Actually this one using cross. Here I search for email. This icon insert. Now select the third item. Icon of third item is location. Change the location with the icon. Here we will search for location. This is location icon. Select it. And the last one is WhatsApp. Search for WhatsApp. Now the icon are inserted. One thing we need to do is to insert this information. To insert this information, select the icon list and item first item, and write the text over here like I used class 92. This is my contact number 6713040, and now select the second item. For this item I use my email address, which is 6713040. Now select the third item in which I have put my address. Write my address, Punjab, Pakistan, and the last one is WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is also the same that is using on top. Same plus 92 51 671 30. Now I added. One thing is to change the color of this contact menu style icon. Sorry, text color set it white. Okay, we have added all the information, and one thing we need to do is to style the footer like this. For styling the footer, select this option from here and go to shape divider, and we want to style it from top. Select top and select base. Okay, this is not set as we want. Go to layout, set width, min height to 300, and change some margin of this. select this margin option and insert some top margin here, 20 or 20, 30, 34, 38. It is good. Select the next one, go to advanced, select margin top 35, 35 is not enough, 40, 40 is good for it, and select this one, go to advanced, select margin top 40, not 40, 60, 60 is less, 68, okay, this is good, 68 is working for us, and the last one, go to advanced, margin, and select margin to about 90, uh, 90, fine. So our footer is ready now. Click on update. Now click on exit. First we will check our website is working or not. Open a new link. As you can see, our header and our footer is ready. There is need to adjust some this menu. Okay, we will adjust it, but our other things are ready. To adjust this footer, go to WordPress, go to appearance, header and footer, edit with Elementor, and we will increase the margin of these two controls. This control, go to advanced, top margin, set the top margin to 60, and select this control, set the top margin to 120 or 120, 140. Okay, now these are looking good. Exit. Open our website.